Every day begins with a spark of energy inside the world's most recognized beverage factory. This is where millions of bottles of Coca Cola are produced. Behind these automated gates lies a fully synchronized production ecosystem. Highly trained teams monitor every detail with precision. The journey begins with water, corn tutter, the foundation of every Coca Cola bottle.
First, the water is filtered through advanced multi-stage purification systems.
Carbon filters polish the water to achieve unmatched clarity.
Every batch is tested, ensuring that only the purest water enters production. Next, the most secretive part of Coca Cola, the syrup room.
Robotic mixers combine carefully measured ingredients to create the iconic Coca Cola base. Sugar arrives in enormous silos.
Inside these heated tanks, sugar melts into a smooth, golden syrup.
As steam rises, the syrup becomes thicker and richer.
Slowly, it transforms into the signature caramel color of Coca Cola.
Technicians constantly monitor temperature to maintain exact consistency.
The syrup swirls in massive tanks, ready to join the final blend.
Here, carbon dioxide is stored under high pressure for carbonation.
It travels through reinforced pipes to reach the mixing line. This blending system mixes syrup, water, and COCC with microscopic precision. Pressure and ratio are controlled to ensure the taste never changes. Meanwhile, thousands of empty PET bottles enter the production line. They are sterilized using high-pressure air to eliminate any contamination. The bottles rise in perfect formation toward the filling chamber. Filling nozzles position themselves with incredible accuracy. Coca Cola pours into each bottle in a flawless, continuous stream.
Every second, hundreds of bottles are filled and moved ahead.
At the next station, red caps are sealed instantly onto each bottle. Rotating capping wheels ensure a perfect airtight seal. A laser prints the date and batch code on the bottle's neck. High-speed scanners check fill levels and cap tightness. Any bottle that shows even a slight defect is removed immediately.
The approved ones continue toward the labeling machine.
Thousands of labels unroll every minute, ready to be applied. Each label wraps smoothly around the bottle with perfect alignment. The finished bottles look identical, Yusu, clean, bright, and flawless. They gather in large numbers, moving together like a red river. Packaging begins as boxes automatically open on the conveyor. Robotic arms pick up bottles and pack them in perfect groups. Every box is sealed tightly to prepare it for transport.
Boxes are sorted by region, ensuring accurate distribution. The warehouse stores thousands of bottles, organized with precision.
Teams verify shipping documents to keep the system efficient.
Delivery trucks line up, waiting to be loaded.
Pallets slide smoothly into the trucks with perfect alignment.
The doors close, sealing in thousands of freshly made bottles. And just like that, Coca Cola begins its journey to stores worldwide. In another section, PET bottles are actually made right here. Plastic preforms are heated and stretched into bottle shapes.
Inside steel molds, air pressure expands the plastic into familiar Coke bottles.
The fresh bottles cool down as they move to the next stage.
Each new bottle is scanned to ensure no deformation.
Nearby, molten glass is shaped into classic Coca Cola glass bottles. They cool slowly inside long temperature-controlled tunnels. The cooled glass bottles look crystal clear and ready to fill. Before filling, each bottle is thoroughly washed and sanitized. Metal caps are pressed firmly, giving that classic pop seal. Next, labels slide onto the bottles, completing the iconic look. They group together and move toward the packaging area. Glass bottles are packed in strong wooden or cardboard crates. Each crate is sealed and prepared for transport. Digital dashboards show temperature, pressure, and production flow.
Technicians adjust parameters to maintain flawless efficiency.
Robots and machines work together like a perfectly tuned orchestra.
Maintenance teams ensure every part stays in top condition.
Conveyor belts carry products across different levels of the plant.
After each batch, tanks are cleaned to prepare for the next cycle.
Automated washing systems scrub the tanks inside and out.
Samples from every batch are tested for taste and consistency.
Experts compare color, fizz, and flavor to maintain global standards.
The signature fizz is the result of perfect carbonation control.
Fresh ingredients arrive regularly for the next syrup batch.
Even at night, the factory remains fully active.
Night shift teams ensure uninterrupted production.
The warehouse stays alive with constant movement and organization. By dawn, a new fleet of trucks arrives for fresh shipments. A new team begins its shift with renewed focus. Every machine, every line, every worker moves in perfect synchronization.
Coca Cola's signature red theme runs throughout the facility.
Break time keeps the workforce energized and focused.
Safety is a priority. Regular briefings keep everyone protected.
Surveillance systems monitor every corner for efficiency and security.
A convoy of trucks departs, delivering Coca-Cola across the region.
Some machines are paused for deep maintenance and upgrades.
Supervisors evaluate the entire day's performance and output.
As the day ends, the factory stands ready for another cycle.
And this is how the world's most iconic drink is crafted purely, with precision, passion, and perfection.
Sugar arrives in enormous silos, ready to be transformed into liquid sweetness. Forklifts raise entire pallets and move them to the loading area.
Coca-Cola flows into the glass bottles with the same precision as plastic ones. In the control room, engineers monitor the entire factory in real time.
Once production slows, conveyor belts are cleaned thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Bear Truck Life for more amazing factory stories and new product documentaries.